Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a maze book or a Meander book. And you can get this printable from the link in the description under the video and then make the exact same book that I'm making. Just go and grab it, it's completely free. You also have the cover printed. You can print it on any paper that you have, cardstock or just plain paper, and make it with me. So I'm going to cut around the square. You have it, by the way, in two sizes, 8.5 by 11 inches and also A4. So whatever type of papers you have, you can print them on both or on either. So I'm just cutting around. You can do this with a craft knife and a ruler, or you can do it with scissors like I'm doing it. Next, we're going to cut around the cover as well. Once you have that, we can go ahead and start making the book. So if you see on the printable, you have 3 dotted lines, 3 white dotted lines. And the next step is going to cut along those lines. So you have, first one is from the edge, cut along 3 squares and then stop. And then you have the exact same cut on the other side. Then you just flip the paper and cut along the last line. And then we can go ahead and start folding. So this is printed on one side of the paper, so you'll have one side printed and the other side white. So we're going to start folding from the edge, and we're going to fold it in an accordion shape, meaning that we're going to fold one fold in and one fold out. So I'm going to fold it on the printed side, so you'll be able to see how to do it. When you reach the end, you simply turn and fold on this side like that. So after we'll finish folding everything, we're going to flip the directions of the fold. So we'll have the pages arranged as we need them to. So again, this is an out fold. When you reach the end, this is an in fold. So even when you reach the ends, you continue with the in out folds in an accordion shape. So let's finish folding all the squares. These are going to be the pages of our little mini book. And once you are finished with the folding, I want to show you how it looks. Okay, this is the final fold. So now when you open the book, you see that the pages don't go like a book. That is because we need to fold it on the white side. So now we're going to flip all the folds to the other side. So all the folds that were in are now out, and all the folds that were out are now in. Just wanted to show you how to fold it, and it's easier to see on the pattern side. By the way, if you do this book on a double-sided cardstock, it doesn't really matter on what side you do it. So now when we open the book, you see that the pages align perfectly, and you can open it like a book. So for the cover, we're going to need 2 chipboard squares. They measure 2 by 2 inches, and we're going to attach them to the printed cover paper. And basically we're going to align them with the paper like this. And again, you can get this printable from the link in the description under the video and print it out as many times as you want on any paper that you want. Now we're going to fold the paper to wrap the cover. I'm not putting any glue yet. I'm just folding the papers first. And then once it's folded, it will be easier to glue. So I'm starting with the longer sides, gluing them first, and then I'm going to do the sides. Make sure it's nice and tight so you will be able to avoid any wrinkles or any bubbles. Okay. And now for the sides, we're just going to fold them over and have nice corners, and the cover will be ready. So next we're going to attach our mini maze book to the cover. Before we do that, we're going to add little ribbons so we'll be able to close the book. This is how it's going to go. So I have here a piece of matching color ribbon. Going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to glue each of the ribbons to the inside of the cover in the center like this. So this is one side. Then I'm going to apply glue on the bottom of the first page and then attach it to the cover on top of the ribbon. So this is one side of the book, and now we're going to do the other side. Apply a little bit of glue and attach the ribbon, and then apply glue on the back side of the last page and attach it to the cover. Basically, this is the point where our book is done. The only thing we need to do now is think about what we want to do with the pages. And I'm going to show you why. So as you can see, this is how the book's going to look. It's really cool and really cute. But the pages inside, you see they're kind of open. So you can do one of two things. You can apply glue to the entire surface of the inside of the page and then glue both sides together and just have a regular page. Or you can create pockets, and instead of applying glue to the entire surface, just apply glue to the parts that are open, leaving an opening on the top or on the side of the page, and then you'll have a cute pocket for inserts or something like that. So let's say you want to make a pocket page. What you need to do is apply glue to the bottom edge or the side edge, and then glue it together to leave an opening on the top or on the side. So I'm going to make pockets for the rest of my pages in this cute little mini book, and then I'm going to close it with my two sides of ribbons and cut them to make them a little bit shorter. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything, and you'll be able to download this print and other cutting guides and prints and measurements and do all the projects and follow all the tutorials. I really hope you like this video and this cute little mini book. I want to thank everyone for joining me for this cute little video, and I, of course, will see you next time.